The levy dollars are used to support not only the facility and the upkeep of this facility that the community has, it's also helps supplement incomes for the mariachi programs, the music department, drama, all of the performing arts programs that are in the district that come through our space are impacted by those levy dollars. Any of our events we have here, you'll just see how children come alive in here, whether they're performing, whether they're playing instruments, acting, any of those things that we do in here, even the tech kids, they're in their space when they're here. This is their outlet and they're good at it and they love having a place they can perform. I mean, we just did Charlie the Chocolate Factory, so all of your audio, your follow lights, your light board operator, your backstage manager, we're all students. Having all of those opportunities to see your kids perform on our stage is a great asset to the community. Your kid could be in grade school and they're doing it in the gym, but then when they get to the high school, we're on a full-size stage with lighting and sound, and it just enhances the experience for them. Please remember to vote February 11th.